told you that the most overlooked business opportunity for 2026 sits right inside your Google Maps app. Better yet, you don't need a marketing or tech degree to execute this. All you need is a laptop and an ability to solve a big problem for businesses that's costing them thousands of dollars every single month. Today, I'm walking you through a step-by-step strategy to find local businesses, offer them simple automated solutions, and build recurring revenue fast. Statistics show that roughly 62% of calls to small businesses like your local plumber or chiropractor go completely unanswered. Why? Well, because they are actually working. The plumber is under a sink, the AC tech is an attic. When a customer calls and gets voicemail, they don't wait. They hang up and call the next person, right? They don't want to wait for that service because they're not answering. That business owner is literally watching money leak out of their pocket and they don't know how to fix it, right? Because hiring a person for that kind of job would cost them too much, yet it's costing them a lot of money. So how do we solve it? The solution is a service called Auto Missed Call Textback. We will use a platform called GoHighLevel to automate this. And here's the workflow. We're gonna find the lead, so we're gonna go to Google Maps. We're gonna search professions in city, for example, plumbers in New York or any other profession. We're gonna identify the gap. So we're gonna look for businesses that are likely to miss calls. Try to look at reviews. For example, if they have a lot of reviews, they're probably ranking high, they're probably getting a lot of calls, but they're probably not getting all of those calls converted into sales because of a problem like this. And the tech is very simple. We're going to connect their number with GoHighLevel, and in a few clicks we'll enable this feature called Missed Call Textback, which will automatically work on everything. The end result will be every time a plumber misses the call, the customer will instantly get a text, "Hi, it's Jennings Plumbing. Sorry, we missed you. How can we help?" You've just saved that business $500,000 or $2,000 deal. You never know. And now when you think about that, do you think that somebody will pay you $100 to $200 to do that for them? If you can explain them that they actually save a lot of money by paying you. Now, let's be real, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Your results depend entirely on how many people you outreach to and how many people you convert. For best results, I recommend outreaching to at least 50 to 100 business owners per day. You can call them, email them, or contact them on any social media. Essentially try to see what options they have in their business profile and offer them your service. On the call, your main goal is to emphasize how much business they are losing by not having a system like this in place. If you can prove that they are losing like $1,000 or $2,000 per month because of this, you have no problem selling them this service for $100 or $200 per month. Introduce yourself, tell them that you are helping businesses get more sales by avoiding missed calls, and then ask a lot of questions. How many calls do they get per day? How many calls do they not answer? How many people do they close per day? How many more people could they close if they answered every single call? Try to find a correlation between when they answered and if the deal was struck. Once you are able to show them how big of a deal this is for the business, you can easily sell them for a retainer of $100 or $200. Bonus tip, if they're hesitant investing money with you, offer them a 7-day free trial. As I'll show you, this is very simple to set up. If you offer them a 7-day trial, it will literally take you 15 minutes to set it up. They'll see the biggest value in their life and they'll for sure stick with you on a retainer. Now, let's see the tech. So I use GoHighLevel because it's an all-in-one marketing automation platform that does the heavy lifting for me. As an affiliate, I partner with them and you can use my link to try it 30 days completely free. And the best thing is when you sign up with that link on a 30-day free trial, you can start outreaching to businesses today. And if you can land just one client for $100 or $200, you're already doubling your money that you're paying the GoHighLevel. And trust me, if you outreach 50 to 100 businesses, which should take you roughly 2 to 3 hours per day, counting in the conversion and everything else, you will definitely pay off GoHighLevel and be way more profitable because it's the only thing that you need to pay for this service. You're gonna go sign up for GoHighLevel, as I said, using my link for 30-day free trial. You'll be at this agency screen. You're gonna go to settings, then following integration, you'll see your agency account, then turn on the lead connector for that account and turn on number intelligence. Now you're gonna go to your sub account, settings, phone system, voicemail and missed call text back. Here you can enable it and customize the message they'll receive. Once you do this, you're gonna go back to this page and add a phone number. Once you add the phone number, you're gonna simply make sure the calls are also redirected to this phone number that you will add for the business. Now what happens is every time they miss a call, the system will send them this message that we just created. And now you've just provided more value in 10 minutes for them than most agencies can do in a month, and you have a business. If you're tired of overcomplicated side hustles, this is a way to provide genuine value to your community yet get paid very well. Just imagine if you can land like 30, 40, 50 clients like this, and it's not much work for you, right? Because basically once you land them on a retainer, the system does the rest. And as I said, to help you get started, make sure to grab my 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel, implement all of this, and start reaching out to businesses today. Because trust me, this is a very underrated market. Nobody is doing this. Nobody likes doing this mid-ticket stuff, but it's a very easy market to hit because there's a lot of pain points and you'll be able to make a lot of money. Happy New Year, and it's time to start 2026 strong. Get to work.